Hey everyone, welcome to Teo's Take. Today we're checking out the Kismile Espresso maker with grinder. Can this little machine actually make great espresso at home? Let's open it up and see. Fresh off the box, literally no idea what's inside yet, but I'm excited. Alright, the machine is out of the giant box. There. Alright, we get this beautiful stainless steel tamper. Fairly heavy. I like it. This is a first. 4 baskets, single shot and double shot, pressurized, non-pressurized. An aluminum, looks like aluminum, plastic handle, 58 millimeter portafilter double spout, pretty standard. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. There are 2 boxes came inside the machine. I have a feeling this is the grinder attachment. Yep, a grinder attachment with a sealed lid. You know, it's not gonna get your beans are not gonna get old in this because basically airtight. Very cool. All right, let's put this away. The other one could be the pitcher. Usually they include a pitcher. Yeah, a very nice stainless steel pitcher. Mirror finished. Beautiful. Nice big handle for latte art. All right, let's put this back in. I have 3 pitchers already. I like it. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and get the machine out. This is very well packaged machine. Some of these things come in sloppy packaging, which I'm not really happy about it. After spending $300, $400, $500 in these machines, getting a sloppy packaging is not really satisfying. All right, very cool. Here's the machine. The top part is cup warmer. Appears to be made out of silver colored plastic and kind of like a metal in the front. Metal, fairly large metal drip tray. And fairly functional single hole steamer. Button seems nice. A little pressure gauge in the front. And this is where the grinder goes. Let's go ahead and place the grinder facing this way. Comes with a Burr grinder. Let's go ahead and remove the burrs so we can look at it. Yeah, they're stainless steel burrs. And really easy to clean these things. Love it. All right, let's go ahead and place the hopper. Here we go. The options are slower extraction, medium, faster extraction, and coarse. According to this little tag, the steam one is not double walled, so it's going to be hot when you're using. That's why they have this nifty little silicone for you to grab on. Let's go ahead and check the drip tray. Behind the drip tray there are some accessories to keep your, a cleaning brush, a little needle to unclog the hole on the steam wand, and a space for keeping these guys in. Your baskets, I'm not going to use any of these, so I'm just going to leave it alone for now. This goes this way, there we go. And let's go ahead and open this. Very nice metal tray. And here's this part, covers the solenoid valve exit. And a little floating indicator is fairly large as well. Everything about this machine is functional, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and cut that little tag off too. Here we go. I have this WDT tool with the magnets in the back. Let's go ahead and check to see the metal parts are magnetized. Front of the machine is magnetic, definitely works. Sides are all plastic, nothing magnetic here. This is magnetic. Tray is not magnetic, but this little front accent and then the front face of the machine is magnetic, which I don't believe anyone going to keep their WDT tool like that, or like that, or like that. Let's check out the water container part. It has like a little plastic feeling, not like a clear plastic. Markers on it showing it takes up to 2.8 liters of water. And then the bottom part has a spring. And here's a little handle type of thing. Grab it out of there or put it back in. I think it's a great looking machine. There's some cheap parts in the back, like this water container I'm not too thrilled about, but I think I love it already. I'm really curious to test this. Stay tuned for my first shot, first cup video. It will be amazing, or not, we'll see. Comment below. I read every one of you guys' comments and try to reply as fast as I can. I don't have any bots here. Want one? Links in the description. Buying through it helps me out at no extra cost to you. No sponsors, just real reviews. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share with a fellow coffee nerd, and subscribe for more honest gadget reviews. Thanks for watching. Espresso experiments are coming soon, don't forget. I'll see you on the next tail steak video. Have an awesome, delicious day.